Today I am reviewing this construction toy set. Very cool set, lots of little movable parts. You can crank this dial here to bring the arm of the crane down. You can use the lever here, make this move, scoop. Very cool. The tailgate opens and closes. The trailer does not remove from the backhoe, but still really cool. This goes up and down. Same with this, movable. Fun little toy.
All right, we're going to take a look at this quick construction vehicle set. It's got some clicking noises. It's kind of fun. It's got this arm that will dig. This goes up and down. And the hook goes up and down by moving this. This also moves side to side. This goes up and down. Comes with all these little road signs. All the road signs are plastic. These two vehicles are all plastic as well, but seem pretty well built. I think it'd be a fun toy for any kid.